The fourth suspect na video no oni Esha fourth suspect na otimoto nature was zooming in. This is the face wenyen. Na good news yenyan there. A police fu one say sonimu. One say soni pechi. Wa himfa Togo. Yes, I tell from what I cover by your channel do. I have fancy YouTube na zori kodo wa Ghana ina yebo mozande yebo tum yazini ina bro wa ha ma ashe na atse zori kodo wa Ghana ni ina na bakaya on that fateful day June 14th 2023 wa Ablekuma oye abrentie ya order screening do no ho fe we ye nyina yenyim da oye police nya wa friend Lance Corporal Callistus Amwa na oshia ni wuyaya ya wo oye Ablekuma Star Oil Filling Station Ablekuma Farmwork Star Oil Filling Station abra oye r0bbery bi wato share oye bullion van na police ni oye special escorts ma dam vani video no honestly video ne be no oya ho papa sabakaya scenes ni bi na order screen na do what the motors too what the demo pressure ya they just went into the bullion van and was shooting police in po na wokwin na yenya no ho nkomo kakra why din kana che suspect 3 mo was one ekejina Kaneshi Circuit Court na asam wa ba na da asam ya tsenende there the fourth suspect na video no oni Esha fourth suspect na otimoto nature was zooming in. This is the face wenyen na good news yenyan there a police fu one say sonimu one say soni pechi wa himfa Togo. Yes. Obi baby said Togo ze or kayadan wo ho. Nipa bone ze ogwana abra obiara nka no do. Na se we di da mo boni ya no onyim do ye wanted wo Ghana ontum ntina kroyi mu. Ntina wa ye na adwen do orugwan. Na mama write up kakra oye city newsroom was a bay. Ose. The Aflawo District Police Commander has arrested Blessing Njoma, one of the robbery suspects in the Ablekuma farm milk bullion van robbery, which led to the death of a police escort. The arrest of the fourth suspect was a collaboration between Ghana Police Service and Togo Interpol. Inti before cry wobotum Wabacha Abrentie or the collaboration between Ghana Police and Togo Interpol. Na what they are doing what's booming there. Nah, into means one Wagana and Kede Ruguanake Togo. We definitely have to collaborate and catch you. I'm a so busy the Bonu Togo no Guanabasha Ghana Police for what the man. Into a flower oil police for na one year or Togo for one year the midman. And Iris, the Ablekuma Farmer bullion van robbery occurred on June 14th, 2023. On Amadu Tuweni Mabra, Lance Corporal Callistus Amwa was shot and killed during the attack. Na r0bbery, the robbers attempted to make away with the contents of the van, but police full interception are obeminti went to Mwafanko. r0bbery in the 15th July na yepe baby. Yeti Lance Corporal and a coach each other. What you know, you will see nature work nature fe. Young guy with a family. Uncle Bashana Brasso, you know, Busiafo, Obey Yama, and now we try on quadrant. Into the part the justice litaki, please. This is the face of the guy, watcher, no, or Basha, Nanyamini. Well, or your criminal face, Ankasana, Abrentio Diginawo, into Oya Henedao. We am very happy there. He's been arrested. At least justice will prevail. Na Oye oyere omba ina ebusua nana when ara wenyu age anade wakoma ato woni yem. So this is exactly what is happening on this case. One fa was one to form. Now one for when you want to form. So also what's one who be the man and what's in whom pupu kakrabia. You can, contact the nearest police station. Na I'm a busiano so wakoma ato yem. We're from a park out to the rich. I hire fan to YouTube. But first time everything ya. Momadana subscribe to them channel. Now one man you wonder how will be mono. We should be extra vigilant in all things that we do. My name is DJ Parker Richard. Definitely come back to give you more gist about what is going on online. Macra one.